So here we go. The 5 hidden sugar-free foods. And this, every time I go to Costco, it blows my mind. I get so frustrated because they just ruin stuff.
Yes.
And the number one thing is
Sauces. Come on, we all like a good sauce, right? But you need certain sauces. Well, you want certain sauces to make up another sauce. But so that's your ketchup, your barbecue sauce, salad dressing.
huge.
This one is a big one. Pasta sauces, right? Any type of ready-made sauce or glaze, any type of those type of things.
So that's crazy because you think about pasta sauce. I think about just herbs and tomatoes. But yeah, you look at these ingredients and it's just like sugar and like why?
Like why? I understand some people want a little sweet in the barbecue sauce, maybe, but there's a lot of sugar in that, period. It shouldn't be so sweet.
It shouldn't be. And it's like almost like added there to kind of balance out the acidity.
Yeah.
And ketchup. I can't eat ketchup anymore. It's so hard for me to eat ketchup because I taste all the sugar in it. It's like I just want savory.
Yes. I used to like ketchup. And I guess maybe I was addicted to the sugar part of it because you got to have the fries, ketchup with the fries.
Yeah.
Now it's like our girls, they don't like ketchup.
No, they don't like it at all. They would rather eat mustard with our air fried fries.
Yeah. And we used to buy big bottles of ketchup from Costco. And now it's like, we just have a small one. And it lasts so long.
A year and a half.
If that.
Gosh.
If that.
Probably go moldy and
throw it out.
It doesn't go moldy and that's another problem. Oh,
I should throw it out. Anyway.
Yeah, they're so packed with different condensed sweeteners. I mean, it's just, and then when you think about the sugar in them, you get these little spikes of insulin and you wonder, okay, well, I got this little spike. Okay, I feel kind of good. Like, oh, why am I tired again?
All right. And it keeps you addicted to it, right? To keep coming back for it. Coming back for it. Gotta have ketchup in my fries. Gotta have this particular salad dressing because it's so good.
Sugar is a drug. It's the most lethal. It is the most. I just can't believe I just thought about that. It's the most lethal drug that is legalized. It's just because sugar is killing people.
Yes.
And the problem is, when people think about sugar, they think about carbs, but that's not really the healthy carbs that people need to eat.
Yes, that's the bad carbs. And it's slowly poisoning you over time, that white substance.
Yep.